Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'll be going over trend, support, resistance, trend lines. Let's get to it. Alright, what is a trend? A trend is basically a general direction in which the market is moving. Now, it's important to know the trend because then you'll know when to buy and then when to sell. You always want to buy low and sell high. Now, this right here is we have an uptrend. Now, look, this is how an uptrend is formed. It creates a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, the reason this is called a higher high is because it's higher than the previous high. See, it's higher than the previous high. The reason it's called, this is the same reason this is called a higher low is because it's higher than the previous low. See, it creates a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. See, it's higher than the previous low, higher high, higher than the previous high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is a downtrend. Creates lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now, this is called, it's a lower high because it's lower than the previous high. It's a lower low because it's lower than the previous low. Right here we have a downtrend, also known as a bearish trend. You can see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low. Now what support is basically an area in the market where price respects. Price might come back to that area and have a reaction. It might reject off of it. Now let's draw a support line. You take your horizontal line and then, you line it up like with the bars. Now in order for support and resistance line to be valid, price must reject off of it 2 times. So if you're looking right here, this is my resistance line and this is my support line. Let's start from right here. Okay, so price came up here and then it rejected off the resistance line, also known as the ceiling. Now it goes to once it rejected off of it, now it goes down to the support line, now rejects off of it. Starts moving, consolidating right here. It goes back to the support line again, it rejects off of it, it goes up. Now right here, you see how price touched the ceiling and then rejects off of it? Now it's just playing in that zone. Eventually it goes through it. You would wait for price to create a new higher high, which it would be this wick right here. And then now you draw the resistance line, which in the future could be a possible support. Now price come up here, rejects, test it again, reject. Now it starts moving in this zone. Right here, rejects off of it, goes right here, busts through the ceiling and then comes back down. Bust through this, that was the support line. Now it comes back in this zone. This right here becomes a ceiling and this becomes the support. Price right here rejects off of it and then it just continues. Now if you want to trade support and resistance line, what you would do is once you draw your support and resistance line, you would wait for price to come to a resistance line or support line. Now when it comes right here, you would sell. When it comes to the support line, you will buy. Remember, buy low, sell high. Trend line is basically what carries price in an upward or downward trend in the market. Now this tool right here, it's actually called trend line. Now all you have to do is line it up with price, with the candles. Now you see how price is just rejecting off this line. You could also use this line as support and resistance line. and you could use it to tell what kind of trend you're in. As you can see, the market is in an uptrend. Price is just respecting this line. If this would be a downward trend line. And you can see how price comes here, rejects off of it, now it rejects off of it. Yep, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'm out.